Welcome guys, I've got a Fiesta here that's failed the MOT on front brake hose excessively corroded on the ferrules. What's a ferrule? It's these ends where the hoses are crimped in. This part corrodes, and if it's excessive it could blow the hose off under pressure. So we're going to have a look to see whether it's going to come off relatively easily or it's going to battle us all the way with brake pipe ends rounding off, the usual stuff we get in here. So you can see the excessive corrosion on here already. For me, you can see that the hose is a little bit rusty as well, but the union is really bad. Generally this rounds off and you end up having to make a new brake pipe. I'm going to try and avoid that today. I'll probably use my inductor on there, and I've got a special spanner that goes on these that prevents it from rounding off. To try and free up this corroded union, I'm going to use an inductor. I'm just going to show you what this does with the bolt. So, power it up. Just literally takes seconds to make that cherry red. Now the great thing with this is it's amazing for heating up metal. We have some metal there, it's ideal for the job we're doing. Apart from, this metal has got liquid in it, brake fluid. When you use this tool and warm up that metal, what it does, it starts to boil the brake fluid within the line, and the minute you crack that off, it comes out boiling hot and at high pressure. So be very careful when heating up such unions because of that liquid that's inside it. I am going to heat this up because I need to do the job, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear a face shield, so if anything does come out, at least I've protected myself to a degree. So this is cherry red, just in a few seconds. Got a special tool here for undoing these. It's a snap-on spanner. I don't think these are available anymore, but it has this piece at the end which is like spring steel, and as you hook over the union, when you push hard to unscrew, all it does is it tightens up more and more onto the union. If you have a look here, now you can see the brake fluid. You can see the brake fluid shooting out. So you can see how dangerous it is. See the corrosion on this end as well. So I'm just going to heat this up and try and get this bolt out as well. Got two of these hoses, one left, one right, so I just need to match them up to make sure they're the correct ones. This is called gravity bleeding, where you let the weight of the fluid bleed itself out. Obviously the master cylinder and the reservoir are above the wing. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little insight of how we do our brake hoses. We used the inductor. It's a great tool for assisting in undoing corroded unions, but you also see how dangerous it can be as it boils the brake fluid and it just spurts out the union. Goggles aren't going to save your face. I did have a face shield on, but there are dangers to doing some of these jobs. We are in a workshop environment. You're doing something that's at home, it can be quite dangerous. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified next time I upload a video. Take care guys.